In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use instant rank up in Raid Shadow Legends. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, we're going to start on the Bastion right here. You need to go ahead and go up to this little tavern section right here, and then just tap instant rank up or instant upgrade down in the very bottom. It's going to ask you to select champion, then select instant upgrade, and boom, it's going to start upgrading it pretty much immediately, and it's going to be highlighted from now on as well. This game's going to display every max level champion that can currently be ranked up, along with the champions and chickens it plans to use as materials. Before continuing, make sure you do open up the filter up at the very top and choose whatever you want to go ahead and filter with, and just carefully review every planned upgrade and material champion, and check any champion you don't want to rank up, and lock any valuable champions you never want sacrificed. Once everything does look good, tap rank up and confirm, and the selected champions will be upgraded together, and the silver cost will be the same as ranking them up individually. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.